Most people don't quit web development because it's hard. They quit because they turned it into the most boring thing on earth. 3 hour tutorial, 10 tabs open, copying code like a human printer. Then someone says, build something from scratch, and suddenly system crash. Here's the thing, web development is not theory, it's creation. You can literally change a line, refresh, and watch reality shift on your screen. That's Peter Parker realizing, wait, I can stick to walls. If learning feels like school, you're doing it wrong. You're not here to collect certificates like Infinity Stones. Calm down, Thanos. You're here to make things exist. Build tiny, slightly ridiculous projects. A button that insults you. A page that switches themes based on the time. A fake login that proudly does nothing. Sounds useless? Perfect. Because your brain gets instant feedback. You type JavaScript, browser reacts, reward system unlocked. That loop, change, see result, change again. That's how skills actually stick. Now add constraints. This is where real growth happens. 1 hour. That's it. Only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Recreate a layout without AI holding your hand. That's Tony Stark in a cave building the first suit. No luxury, just problem solving. Then start learning in public. Post messy code, half-broken projects, weird experiments. Nobody expects perfection. But your brain goes, people saw this. I have to continue. That's accountability turning into a superpower. Now AI, treat it like Jarvis, not like a brain transplant. Don't just copy, interrogate it. Ask why this works, break it, change values, remove parts, ask for 3 different versions and compare. Learning happens in the gap between working and wait, why did that explode? Also, forget marathon study sessions. That's movie montage nonsense. Real progress is 30 focused minutes daily. Momentum beats motivation. Every time. Small wins lower the resistance to show up tomorrow. When web development feels like building, testing, and shipping tiny things, you stop asking, am I smart enough? And start asking, what can I try next? That's the moment this stops being learning to code and starts feeling like your superpower.